Hello, everyone. So today we're talking about number sense, rounding whole numbers. In order to round any number, in any place, if it's in the millionths place, the thousandths, the hundredths, the tenths place, you first look to the next digit. You look at the next digit to the right, okay? So check this out. If we're rounding to the nearest tenths, where do you look? You look to the ones place. The hundreds place, right? Rounding to the nearest hundreds, you look to the tens. Again, this is a video, so pause the camera if you need to, or pause the video if you need to. Rounding to the tens, look at the ones. Rounding to the hundreds, look at the tens. Rounding to the thousands place, look at the hundreds. You always look to the digit to the right. Now, when you see that digit to the right, okay, there are only two options for a number to round. It either rounds up or it stays the same. Okay, those are the two options. If the digit to the right is 5 to 9, like high five, the number will round up. It will go up. If the digit to the right is 0 through 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, hits the floor. It stays where it's at, okay? The number will stay the same. So, on a number line, if we're rounding to the tens place, we have 10 or we have 20. Look at this. You're never going to go, look, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. You're never going to go down to 0. We're not rounding down to 0. We're going to stay at 10 or up to 20. So, rounding to the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's going to round down. It's going to stay at 10. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 goes up. 5 through 9 goes up. All right. This chart is kind of busy. This table is kind of busy. But check it out. The numbers 0 through 100. Rounding. How do you round these numbers to the nearest 10? Here's our breakdown. Here's our middle line. Right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 11, 12, 13, 14, 21, 2, 3, 4. Does that make sense? Everything is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, you go down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you go up to the next. And there's the great divide. 5 goes up. High five. Give me a high five because 5 is high. It rounds up. Okay. Now, in order to round a number to the nearest tens, you have to look at the ones place. So just like what we've been doing. 23 rounds down because 3 goes down, right? 35, 5 rounds up to 40. 96, check this out. This is kind of tricky. That's why it's highlighted. 6 goes up. So the nearest 10 from 90 is 100. Oh, look, we're going to carry over one place value. What's 1 plus 9? Well, 10. So 100. So if you have a round up to the nearest 10, but you're already at 90, well, then you're going to go to the next place value, 100. 41 rounds down. 74 rounds down to 70. 69 up to 70. 7 rounds up to 10. Right? This is similar to here, because here we only have a ones place, but we're rounding up. Is it closer to 0 or is it closer to 10? Right? Here's our question. Is 7 closer to 10 or closer to 0? It goes up to 10. 52 goes down to 50. Okay. Same numbers from the first page of the lesson. Are these numbers rounding up or down? 12 rounds down. 316, we're rounding to the hundreds place. 3, 1, it rounds down to 300. 57, up. 6,434, rounding to the nearest hundreds place. 3 rounds down. This should be, excuse me. 6,400. 3,888, it's going to round up to the thousands place. We're rounding up. 95 rounds up to 100. Okay. So, let's round this to the nearest. A few more examples and we're almost done. To the nearest tens, okay? 7,824,960. 82,002. So we look at the 4 rounds down. 820,000. Do you notice when you're rounding, you always have zeros after the rounding digit? Because it's a round number, it's not exact. If we're rounding to the millions place, 7, this 8 goes up, so it's going to be 8 million. If we're rounding to the nearest millions place, 8 million. Rounding to the nearest 100, 9, okay, well 6 goes up. 7,824,000. Oh, check this out. 9 goes up, so that goes into 10, right? So what's 4 plus 1? 5. 825,000. This one was super, super tricky. 100,000, okay? So the 2 goes down. 7,800,000. And then the thousands place, let's look at the 4, and it goes up because 9 goes up. 7,825,000. Okay. Guys, hope that you enjoy this video. Please let me know if you have any questions. Always here to help. Thanks.